Estate planning, beyond the basics. Estate planning is much more than simply structuring your assets to avoid probate court proceedings. Now, this is important, of course, because probate is very expensive and time-consuming. But we're fortunate to work with families that have much bigger goals than that really care about and want to protect their families. So our approach to estate planning reflects our clients' desires to protect family members and loved ones even after they're gone. Each family is different, so getting to know you is key to developing a powerful plan. Your estate plan should address your wishes should you have a disability occur or a long-term care situation arrives. Now, this may include addressing who the caregivers are going to be or who they should not be. Studies show that children think you want them as caregivers, but often clients, due to dignity concerns or wanting to protect their relationships with the children, they often do not want their children as the primary caregivers. They want them around, but not taking care of them. Your wishes are therefore laid out based on your unique concerns. Now, plans are also crafted to protect both surviving spouses and children through a variety of family protection strategies. These include things like remarriage protection, where we want to take care of our spouse, but we want to make sure the money ultimately gets to our kids and doesn't inadvertently get siphoned off maybe to a new spouse. So we call this remarriage protection. It's very important to have it built in. Now, we can do this in many ways that can even provide for a new spouse if that's the desire, but in a protected fashion. Elder abuse protections for the surviving spouse to make sure they're not taken advantage of. It can also include divorce protections that we build in for the kids and asset protection for the inheritance so it cannot be taken if they have some unfortunate litigation. So perhaps most important, we structure an inheritance to further the client's goals and values. The goals and values that they express to us and that they want to pass on to their beneficiaries. Now, this could be making sure that work ethic is developed. It could be making sure that they don't fall victim to bad investments and they try to protect them in some fashion or another. It can also be structuring the investment to make sure they simply don't spend it too fast. So whatever your goals and values are, we want to build this into the plan. Now, finally, let's not forget about taxes. So we work to limit all forms of taxes. So some are strategies that will reduce or defer your income taxes, sometimes for multiple generations. Now, this is particularly powerful if you have a large IRA or 401k account, where we can show you strategies to continue to have the deferral of your tax dollars for sometimes 3 or 4 generations. We organize the plan so that all of this is communicated either during life or after death or a disability to the client's family in a way in which the plan will seamlessly transfer to your chosen helpers. This may include trustee trainings, financial trainings, or even tax assistance. It's not at all uncommon that we get to know the kids very well and even help them with their planning, as coordinating planning can be very powerful. So we're excited to help you achieve your goals for both you and your family with all of your estate and tax planning needs.